Hello guys, it's your boy TS Tech Talk. Welcome back to today's video. Today guys, I'm just going to make a review, not doing anything special actually today. So Facebook actually recently launched a Facebook room for its Facebook app. Guys, if you know, before initially we only have this Facebook room right here on our messenger, right? It says create room right on top of this section, so which means we can actually create our rooms right from here. You can notice, if you remember, I made a video about this, but right now you can also do that. I'm going to end this. Right now you can also do that, making use of your Facebook app. So right on your Facebook app, you can notice people that are online, but I think this one actually works differently. I'm going to be making video about that. I just want to be reviewing that today. So you can easily click on create room and you can notice it has option. You can easily start people by selecting to invite, and I think you can use more option to invite people who are actually on your Facebook right now, who are currently online on Facebook. So for some reason it's not loading up. I think it's supposed to load up some more option right here, but I'm going to clear my card before I do this, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I just want to show you guys that this is actually possible, and you can actually start a room with anybody. Right clicking her, you can notice it says automatically invite this person or send message to this person. So once you invite this person, you can start a room with the person, and it actually works well. And also guys, when you click on this section, you can also create room by clicking on this option, you see. So once you click on the option, you have options to select either friends or specific people. So this is very interesting. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that, and I'm going to be doing that on my next video guys. So nothing really much on our Facebook app apart from the recent update that it has. It still have the same look and every other thing is still intact. And guys, after making more of my video, if you guys have questions, please leave it in the comment section. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys assisting me to grow my Facebook page, my YouTube channel, and so far the journey has been not so bad. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for 7K subscribers and so long for helping me to get where I am right now. So see you guys soon on my next video, and I'm going to still keep on uploading, trying to upload like everyday videos. All right guys, stay home and stay safe. Peace.